Okay, so we're going to look at number 5 now as an example. So we're traveling a distance of 30 miles. We're going to be going 60 miles an hour, and I'm kind of wondering how many minutes is that going to take me? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this right now. Okay, so I wrote down some of our information. So let's start off with our little T-chart. And really, if we're looking here, I got two numbers, 30 miles and 60 miles an hour. Well, what do we start with? Well, this is the speed I'm going, and this is how far I'm traveling. So in this case, to help you, this is kind of that set number we should start with. Okay, and so we're going to go 30 miles. Sorry, it's kind of hard to write with a mouse sometimes. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this conversion to get it to hours. So we have this hours up here is what we want it to get to eventually. Remember, leading to this idea of minutes. Okay. And so miles is going to be down here. And what we know is that we travel 60 miles in 1 hour. So now I'm in miles is going to cancel out. And I'm in hours. Well, how many minutes is that going to be? Okay, so we want minutes up here and hours down below here, so that our hours will cancel out. So if we look, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so if we open up our handy dandy calculator, and I'll move it just so we can see it. We'll do 30 times 60. And then if we divide by 60, we actually get 30. So it's going to take 30 minutes to travel 30 miles. And that's just because we're using this ratio of 30 and 60, it's half, and that'll work out. But this will hopefully, these steps here, will show you how to do the next couple of problems, which I won't be using as easy in numbers. And we should be able to get your results for the quiz and whatever's coming up. So hopefully this problem helps you better understand how to set up conversions.